In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually create your affiliate marketing funnel. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can create your affiliate marketing funnel. Affiliate marketing, just in case that you don't know, is the easiest and simple business model out there because literally we don't have to create the product. We don't have to deliver the service. We don't have to deal with customer service, payment processor, refunds, tech support. The only thing that you're going to do is that you're going to be referring people to a product or service that you already use and you're really happy about that. And there are companies out there now, more than 80% of the companies who do have an affiliate program. So it's a win-win for everybody. Let me share with you my screen because I'm going to show you everything step by step, including the tools that we're going to use. And the coolest thing nowadays, it's because of all the opportunities that you can have, is that you can literally use this tool for free. Okay. I'm going to be leaving a link below. And this is the tool that we're going to be using. So you can create a free account. Okay. It's called System.io. With System.io, this is an all-in-one marketing solution. So literally you're going to have all the tools that you're going to need. You are going to have the funnel builder, which is the one that we're going to use. If you need to do email marketing and all this stuff, you can actually do this. Literally, we're going to start with this free plan. Yeah, for free. Okay. And after that, if you have more than 2,000 contacts, you can see the startup plan is just $17 per month. The unlimited one, it's literally $97. I can tell you by experience that before I used System.io, I was paying for a tool that was way higher. Okay. And they don't have a free account. Okay. And it was just one tool. And there was a bunch of tools that I was actually using before. Okay. So take that into consideration. And again, you're going to have everything that you need. Okay. You can actually do automations. You can actually do A/B tests. You can do calendars, payment integration, and a bunch of stuff. Okay. By using the link below, you are going to be opening a free account. Why we are going to be using a sales funnel and we're not going to be using what I call the hidden message strategy, because chances are that you already have your TikTok account, maybe you're recording YouTube videos, maybe you're on Instagram, you name it, and you're sending people directly to the sales page. The thing is that if they're not ready to make the purchase, they got distracted or by any other reason, they don't make the purchase right away, you're going to lose them. Okay. And you are not going to have the opportunity to build a full business. Okay. What I mean by this is this. Okay. You're going to have literally the same. Okay. You have a social media account. Okay. You name it. Facebook, you name it. Okay. But now what we're going to do is that we're going to be sending traffic to what we call an opt-in page, which we're going to be asking people for their name and email address. Then you're going to have a bridge page. This can be a video or this can be in text. And here we are introducing the product, okay, that we are recommending. And now they're going to go to the sales page. The reason we're doing this is because if they are not ready to make the purchase, we can start sending emails. And this is something that happened automatically about this product, okay? We can start sending emails about this product. If they buy the product, yay. If they don't, we can also start sending them emails about other products. And with this strategy, there is no way you can do that. Okay. This is the way, like how you can actually create a business that is going to be working for you 24/7. And you can promote as many products as you want. The other thing is that if the product have something that we call the value ladder, okay, you are literally just introducing them to a product that chances are the price is going to be between $7 and $97. Okay. You can have the opportunity to introduce into a product that maybe it's 1K. Let's say that this one is 5K, 10K, and so on. Okay. And your only job, maybe here we have Monteler Kareem. Your only job was to introduce them here. Okay. If they make the purchase, the company is going to be doing the rest. Okay. So a, a way, as I told you, in which you can actually going to build a sustainable business. Again, you're going to be using the link below and you're going to be able to do this for free. Now, since you already have your account, this is how your back office is going to look like, except that I have 51 funnels by the time recording this video. As you can see, I really use this software. You're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. And you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put the name. I'm going to put YT, okay, for the YouTube tutorial. And you're going to choose the domain. As you can see, I do have 2 domains, okay? And this is the subdomain that System.io gave me, okay? Just in case that you're wondering, like, Diana, is this mandatory to connect a domain? I will say yes, okay? I'm going to say yes. Of course, you can use the subdomain, but does this sound like secure to you? Does this look like secure to you? Does this look like safe? That's something that you're going to put your information. I think you already got the point, right? So buy a domain, it's pretty affordable. It's like $12 per year, sometimes even less than that. Okay. You're going to choose it. And then you're going to click here where it says build an audience. You're going to click here where it says save. And now you're going to click on this. So you're going to notice that we have 2 pages. Okay. This and this. This looks familiar because the very first one is this one. And the second one is literally this one. Okay. So you already have free templates. So you don't have to worry about starting from scratch. You're going to choose the one that you like, the ones that looks the best for you, depending on, the product that you're going to be promoting and all this stuff. I prefer something like this. It's super simple. Okay. One cool thing about System.io is this is drag and drop a funnel and website builder. So literally there is no coding required. Okay. If there is something that you don't like, you can delete it. Okay. So take that into consideration that, for example, let's say that you like this one. Okay. But there are some elements that you don't want to have on the opt-in page. You can delete them. Okay. Literally, you can delete them. Okay. Let's say that you like the layout, but you like this. Okay. And let me actually show you. Okay. I'm going to select this one. Okay. There are others who are way simpler. So I have it here. I'm going to click here where it says edit page. And now I am going to delete the elements that I'm not going to be using. So I'm going to be deleting this one. Okay. I'm going to be deleting this one. And let's say that I'm going to keep the rest. Okay. But let's say, no, let me delete. Let's say that this is how it's going to look like. So if you want to add some other elements, literally drag and drop. That's it. I really like it. I'm going to save it. Okay. And you are going to click here where it says exit page. And we're going to choose the other page, which is a thank you page. Remember that this can be a video or this can be a text. So it's going to be the same process. Okay. So you're going to choose the one you like. And that's it. Super easy, super simple. And on the bottom, you're going to have your affiliate link. Okay. Super simple, not overwhelming at all. And literally you can start for free by using the link below. Okay. So now if you want to learn more in depth about, all the process of doing a sales funnel, email marketing, and all this stuff with affiliate marketing, and how to even use AI, use the link below. Okay. So that's going to be the very first link in the description. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.